Black River lockup escapee killed in Manchester confrontation with cops. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. One of 8 inmates who escaped during a jailbreak on June the 19th at the Black River Police Station lockup in St. Elizabeth was fatally shot during a confrontation with police in Downs, Manchester on Saturday morning. Residents named the deceased as Dane Simpson, a resident of Turner Top District, St. Elizabeth. He was in custody for robbery with aggravation. Senior police source said that Simpson is also suspected to have been involved in several armed robberies and murders committed in Manchester in recent weeks. Residents of Downs say that Simpson was a known troublemaker in the community. At least we can have some peace of mind going into the Christmas, a resident said. A senior police source said that at around 1 a.m. there was a confrontation between Simpson and the police near a nightclub reportedly held up by Simpson. Police responded and Simpson reportedly opened gunfire at the police. The fire was returned and he was hit. A firearm was seized during the process. He was pronounced dead at hospital. In recent months, 2 escapees were recaptured. They are Richard Brown, Kenneth Stewart. Another escapee, Alaric Hutchinson, was found dead in September. Those remaining at large are 31-year-old Oral Cole from Comfort Hall, Manchester, 34-year-old Anward Hines from Maroon Town, and 25-year-old Javon Sims from Copperwood, both in St. James, and Demar Williams from Granville Heights in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.